You know how us islanders use Taragos to lug around our family? Well, I saw a fam of 5 on that small little motorcycle. Ended our last night in Sukhumvit, which we were initially told don't stay in Sukhumvit because of the expat vibes, but it ended up being one of our favorite places there. Being our last night, we definitely splurged on our last dinner, spending about 200 AUD, and most of it was for Aussie because 1, I don't eat seafood, and 2, I don't eat pork, which were the 2 main things that we ordered. But I want to get a little bit vulnerable with you guys. Have you ever just felt like you're stuck in a nightmare and you can't wake up? Well, that's how I felt majority of 2025. I've mentioned here and there that it had been a really tough year for us. While this trip is exactly what we needed to hit that reset button, it didn't do what I expected it to do, which looking back now was a bit ridiculous. I really thought that after the trip, when I returned home, that all of my feelings and my thoughts would just go away. I thought it would just fix everything. Even though that's what I was expecting, I know deep down that's not how it works. Having been back now for a couple of months, I've really had time to process those feelings that I was running from. I still do feel like the trip is exactly what we needed and I don't regret it. But coming back and realizing this allowed me to process and deal with those feelings, and I honestly can say that I feel so much better now. And naturally, you're probably listening trying to piece together what might have been the cause of my borderline depression, which, to be honest, fair enough, because I would be doing the same thing had I been watching someone else's vlog. And in due time, I will definitely share that testimony, but for now, I just ask that you afford me some peace, and I truly do appreciate your support. I can't end this vlog without giving a special mention to my dearest husband. He's been so supportive, and I, hand on heart, do not think that I could have gotten through it without him. He's had to pull me out of some pretty low times, and I don't imagine that's an easy thing to do. But all glory to God, I'm feeling so much better and I'm excited for what 2026 has for us. Bye!